Hi guys, this is Amanda. Welcome to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I say thank you. And if you're returning, I say please listen up. Today I would like to speak on the topic budget tips for married couples. Are you married? Do you have a budget? You know, sometimes when it comes to finances, we seem to fear having budgets. We seem to fear having to really have a good look or take a good look of all of the expenses that we are required to take care of on a monthly basis. But I just want to share that having a budget is not the end of the world. Having a budget can be a great thing because it allows husband and wife or husband and husband, wife and wife to come together on one accord. You're able to have a snapshot of everything that occurs within the family unit, meaning you're able to see the total income earned, whether it's just from jobs or you have side hustles or multiple streams of income because you're an entrepreneur, but that's all part of your income. And then there's your expenses, mortgage or rent note, insurance, whether it be house insurance or renter's insurance. Then gotta consider your car insurance, your car note, health insurance if you're required to pay for it yourself, life insurance because you want to try and create a legacy and make sure that if anything happens, stuff will be covered or something left over. Utilities, gas, lights, water, groceries. Maybe you have a clothing assessment or budget because you every so often like to change your wardrobe up. Maybe you have an entertainment budget, credit cards, store cards, gas card. It really don't matter what it is, but what's important is that you have a list that you can refer to at any time and see exactly where your money is going and how your money is being spent. You see, having a budget requires that we must be honest with ourselves and honest with each other, be transparent, and be realistic. Because if you don't be realistic and you don't address it and write it down so that you know exactly what it is, you will probably have a lot of issues. It's a good thing to track your budget on a monthly basis. And if this is the first time you're even trying to pull a budget together, just go back over the past 3 months, especially if you have a bank account you can use or old credit card statements. Go back over the past 3 months and determine, how did I spend my money? Make a list of where you spent your money. You know, maybe you needed to put Starbucks on there or fast foods because you spent a lot of money in the street. And then maybe looking at this based on past expenses, and you recognize and realize, ooh, I spent too much money at Applebee's. I spent too much money at Burger King. I spent too much money at Red Lobster. Ooh, we got to cut back with this eating out. You see, having a budget written down in front of you helps you to see exactly how your money's being spent and where it's going. And let me say this again, it don't matter whether you have a joint account or a separate account. It don't matter whether you do it online or you write it down on a piece of paper in a book. A piece of paper sounds rush. In a book. What's important is that you write it down. Write it down so that you can see it. Write it down so that you can know exactly what's going on. There is no right or wrong way. It's just important that it's being done. So my main tip would be this. Just do it. Just do it. Don't be afraid. Just do it. And if you need some help, hit me up. I'll gladly help you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I intend to put out some more tips on budget, money, and maybe even what you can do to create a new stream of income. Thanks for joining. Have a good one.